programs that Courtney and I do together is called Convergence, and it's based on the idea that differences like gender or temperament or things of that nature don't need to divide us. In fact, we can leverage the strengths.
I mean, I think it's kind of diversity training 2.0, kind of a new generation of what used to be diversity or awareness training. But also, just the psychologically safe culture thing is becoming a big deal. People are noticing it. Google's done an enormous amount of research about it. It's just becoming a new way to deal with leadership and to create cohesion in a team for better performance.
The workshop's delivered in a 2-day format, and it's highly interactive, so it's not boring lectures. We're really trying to engage everyone around not only the assessments that they've taken ahead of time, but really interacting with us and even in our divergence.
Convergence is delivered in a workshop format, and then we offer a workbook essentially that helps them walk through the process in great detail, and technically they can use the workbook later to reflect on the process or go deeper on certain issues.
They're coming away with some very tangible assets in terms of understanding self and how I am different than you, and some real hands-on ways to interact and coordinate at a much deeper level going forward.
I feel like our participants in the Convergence workshop will come away with the opportunity to take a look at their talent differently and maybe even measure their performance in a way that's a little bit more organic and compassionate instead of sort of the old style review process. So they'll be able to just approach their people in a different way.